Hi everyone, I'm Christina, Chief Creative Officer at Squirrly. And today we are going to take a look at how to connect an X account. For this, we are going to go inside Squirrly Social. Right now, we are inside the post calendar feature in Squirrly Social. In order to connect an account, we have to go over here to manage social profiles. And then we have to go over here at social media profile by clicking on it. We can see all the social media profiles that we can connect with Squirrly Social over here, and we are going to click over here on Twitter. Then we are redirected to the next page. We can see over here that the Squirrly Social wants to access your X account, and then we can see the account that we are logged in inside X. So basically we are going to connect this account with Squirrly Social. In case this is not the account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, you will have to click over here on Cancel. Then you will have to go to the X website in order to log in to the account you want to connect with Squirrly Social. In case this is the proper account that you want to connect with Squirrly Social, all that you have to do is click over here, Authorize App. And then we can see a success message over here. Twitter was successfully connected as a social profile. And then we can see our profile over here. We can see the profile image. Then we can see the profile name by clicking on the name. We can see our profile like so. We can also see our handle over here, the profile type, who added the profile. We have the option to reconnect this profile or to delete this profile. And this is how you can connect an X account with Squirrly Social. Until next time.